Experience counts. For almost a quarter of a century, Embarcadero Systems Corporation, or ESC, has led the way in providing solutions that enhance, automate, and secure maritime and multimodal transportation operations. ESC offers end-to-end terminal software, technology, and custom solutions that answer the business and operational challenges of multimodal terminal operators.
Without these tools, without this technology, we would not be the one that people come to see because they've heard so much about us. We are known as the technology, the newest technology, emerging technology terminal in this West Coast basically, and now from what I can see, United States. We're number one.
With our deep maritime experience, ESC is acutely aware that while the maritime industry volume increases, the terminal space cannot expand accordingly. This demands a significant increase in operational efficiency.
The amount of volume that we push through here it's phenomenal. I've been doing this for 30 years. I would have never thought I was seeing gate moves of 32 to 3,300 in an 8-hour period. 500 or 600 gate moves in the past was a big day.
At Pier T, ESC SmartGate features integrated hardware and software that propels your in and out gate processes into the future with next-generation electronic data collection, processing, and logging technologies. With the SmartGate intelligent camera, the chassis and container numbers are fed to the SmartGate system, automatically populating a gate clerk's computer screen. From the tower, clerks then visually verify the numbers and use the SmartGate console to control the cameras, confirm the information, and issue the gate pass to the trucker. Using KTOS, clerks in the tower configure the container yard for maximum efficiency as the containers arrive through the in-gates. They use an interactive screen to create the optimal yard configuration based on the inbound and outbound cargo. This information then guides the trucker to the appropriate yard location to drop off or pick up cargo.
Without this technology, we would quite frankly not be able to do 30,000 gate moves.
The trucker's arrival at the terminal has already been determined by using Voyager Track and Premier Appointment System, a KTOS module that helps the dispatchers, carriers, and truckers plan for the most efficient arrival time and troubleshoot any issues that might arise when a trucker arrives at the terminal.
Voyager Track has probably been for me, probably the biggest technology improvement we've done. And I know it sounds hard to believe. Voyager Track is going to be our future down the road. It currently right now gives you every bit of information as a trucking company or a consignee, steamship line. If you have a log on to that, you can run a report to find out literally if you have a driver come in, what time he got here, what time he left.
Shorter turn time for truckers results in measurable cost savings for both the trucking company and the terminal.
It's all in timing, keeping the drivers moving, getting the cargo in, getting them out. What the old way was through faxes, communication on the phone. Now with Voyager Track, it's all done instantly. Voyager Track's a big deal for us.
Pier T in the Port of Long Beach is over a mile long and features 14 gantry cranes that are large enough to handle the largest ships on the ocean. Along the waterfront, the terminal can service up to 5 ships at once and move over 2 million TEUs per year.
With the addition of the Now solution, the SmartGate, Voyager Track, the Premier Appointment System, the M21 KTOS system, it has put us in a front line. We just broke 1 million containers. That is more than the Port of Seattle and Oakland and Houston combined. I'm moving more cargo for less money. That's what it boils down to. 4 years ago, I was doing 600,000 lifts. We're going to do 1.2 million this year. So you know what? Yeah, technology is a big deal on that.
Because ESC has dedicated its business to solving marine terminal cargo management needs, we are uniquely positioned to be your leading supplier of container terminal automation, management, and planning systems. We are committed to being able to offer you cost savings, transaction after transaction, year in and year out.
In this industry, competition for cost is everything. So we do very well with it. And without the technology we have in place, we wouldn't be able to do it.
ESC's Technology Services Group offers world-class infrastructure at a fraction of the cost of doing it yourself. Our technologies work for you around the clock. Why? Because the nature of your terminal operation business demands it. In the world of terminal automation, the future has arrived. You can find it at Embarcadero Systems Corporation.